Understanding Bandsaw Blade, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning of the term bandsaw blade. This might be a new phrase for many of you, especially if you're just starting to learn English. Don't worry, we'll break it down together, step by step. Let's get started. Before we dive into what a bandsaw blade is, it's important to understand what a bandsaw is. A bandsaw is a power saw with a long, sharp blade consisting of a continuous band of toothed metal stretched between two or more wheels. It's used primarily in woodworking, metalworking, and lumbering, but can also cut a variety of materials. Think of it like a very efficient and precise cutting tool. Now, let's talk about the bandsaw blade. This is the part of the bandsaw that does the actual cutting. It's a long, narrow loop of metal with teeth on one edge. The blade's effectiveness depends on several factors. Material. Blades are made from various materials like carbon steel or bimetal, depending on what they need to cut. Teeth per inch, TPI. The number of teeth per inch affects how smoothly it cuts. Width. The width of the blade determines what kinds of cuts it can make, tighter or wider. Bandsaw blades are incredibly versatile. They're used for cutting curves. The narrow width of the blade allows it to make intricate cuts and shapes. Resawing. This is cutting a piece of wood into thinner pieces. Ripping. Cutting wood along the grain. Metalworking. Specialized blades can even cut through metal. Maintaining a bandsaw blade is crucial for its longevity and your safety. Always check for wear. Regularly inspect the blade for signs of dulling or damage. Replace when necessary. A dull blade is inefficient and dangerous. Follow safety protocols. Always use a bandsaw and its blade as instructed to avoid accidents. That's a wrap on our journey through understanding the bandsaw blade. I hope this video has been informative and has clarified what this tool is and why it's important in various forms of craftsmanship. Remember, learning a new language is like using a bandsaw. It takes patience and practice. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.